Hey guys, we're back and this is D, and today he's our new teammate, and we're playing Call of Duty. I'm just gonna sit here and do this.
Oh god.
We've been trying to record this. I just got a friend.
Wait, I'm still alive.
As in my sister that commented on my video that says cringe.
It is cringe.
Don't subscribe to her channel, she's evil.
Do it.
No.
Yeah.
She is mean. She
is the worst person on earth.
She doesn't even record any videos.
Don't subscribe to her.
Yeah.
She only has 2 subscribers, but she has 0 videos.
You have 0 subscribers and 2 videos.
Whatever.
We don't have 2 videos. We have 3 videos
I have
now.
like 35 subscribers and lots more videos.
Lol.
Lols. Lol.
Jack, you know who's
Dun 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 dun. My name's.
subscribing me, Jack?
No, I am not. And my name is Jay.
I'm not calling you that. Jack,
Ah,
my
ah.
cousin subscribed to me.
Feels
What?
feels
Whose
bad.
cousin?
Feels bad. Gets run over by a tank. Has to redo it. Lols.
No.
Yes. Is I'm still alive?
The TV's on. Let me go shut the door.
Dude! Why the crap? I will do this.
And let's hope he beats it again. Don't sit on this again.
I will try.
So, last time I tried to record a video, I failed. What? Oh,
blow it up.
when last time I recorded a video, I fell down in this pit of shame.
Put a shame.
This is where D goes when he's sad and lonely.
I was killed by a tank shell.
That's why I don't go next to tanks. Do you want to make a musical?
No! It's a barnyard musical.
No! Don't bring down 2nd grade.
Yeah, bazookas.
Oh, 1st grade.
I get bazookas.
Then you died a hole.
Die in a hole. Fire in the hole.
Yeah.
Killed me.
And guys, I think that's enough time for right now.
No!
Belly flop.
I need to get a bazooka.
Bye. Beep. Fine. 1 more minute.
What?
That means when it turns 4 minutes, then it's free. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that smash button. I tried to record this video 500 times, I think. Including a look at that night. Look how night that is. And it's almost 4 minutes. Do you like being a YouTuber?
No, I like exploding my people. Oh my god, foot! There is a dang foot there. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Don't,
Oh
don't,
my
no,
god.
don't, no.
There is a foot.
Run.
I'm out. I'm out. Oh my god.
My hand's getting
There's
tired.
a foot. Die!
So, that's the first time we're playing. Don't forget to hit that.
Smash that like button, or else I will hunt you down and kill you.
Well, don't listen to him.
Lols.
Right now, subscribe
What happened?
to DJ Gaming. Please hit that like button one time because we never got one.
His arm!
The highest.
Missing!
OMG, baby, that's his arm. Okay, so now, bye.
Hey, I just met you.
Oh, yeah.
It's crazy.
Girl.
Here's my number.
Don't sing that song.
Hey,
Okay, right now.
his arm is missing.
So guys, this is our new gaming table. But when we play Xbox, we play in there. They're gonna put like stuff on this wall. And subscribe to here. Who are you? Are you an intruder? Okay, bye. Let's hope I get like over 1,000 views. I think it's just sad we're lonely.